Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the grille on your BMW 4 Series. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface. It's also a good idea to apply painter's tape around the grille area to protect your car's paint from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation will make the job much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old grille. Begin by carefully opening your BMW's hood and identifying the top retaining clips of the grille. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry open these clips one by one. Once the top is free, firmly pull the grille outwards from the bottom to release the lower tabs. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your shiny new one. Start by aligning the new grille with the lower mounting points on your bumper. Gently push the grille firmly into place until you hear and feel the lower tabs click securely. Then, press down on the top clips until they fully engage and lock, ensuring a snug and stable fit. To finish up, perform a few final checks. Confirm that all clips are securely fastened and that your new grille sits perfectly flush with the bumper. Close the hood and take a moment to inspect the overall fitment, ensuring everything looks great. You've successfully upgraded your BMW's look. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.